In this video, we will show USF employees how to use Global Proxy and Student Self-Service to see what students are seeing and better guide them to information and through processes. Global Proxy has 3 types of access of financial aid for team members whose job responsibilities are in the Office of Financial Aid only. Advisor for team members whose job responsibilities include academic advising for our undergraduate, graduate, non-degree student populations. Strategic enrollment management staff and academic advocates also have this level of access. General for team members who receive student information system access and whose job responsibilities include working directly with students to enroll, persist, and graduate from USF. New employees are provided with access as a part of the Student Information System provisioning process. To troubleshoot current employee access, please reach out to EIS Security at usf.edu. Now on to how to use Global Proxy. From my USF, click on your Oasis banner Quick Link. If you didn't set up a Quick Link, you can also access Oasis banner from the drop-down menu. Hover over Business Systems, and then click on Oasis banner. Once you're past Microsoft Authentication and on the banner landing page, click on the window pane icon in the left menu. Once this opens, click on Global Proxy in the drop-down menu. This will open your My Profile landing page in Student Self-Service. Click on Global Proxy Management. When you first open the Global Proxy, you will see this screen. Click on the Add Proxy button. This will give you the ability to search by banner ID, which is the student's U number. Enter the U number in banner ID, and then select Global Proxy Access from the drop-down menu, and then click on Submit. Because my role is preset as General, I am only able to access midterm and final grades and the student profile. The next page will confirm that you are the proxy. I can now choose what to view from the drop-down menu. By selecting Student Grades, you can see grades earned by term and course level. You can use the back arrow to get back to Global Proxy Management. You will notice the student is still saved as your Global Proxy. You can delete your access to their information by clicking on the trash can icon. If you do not take this action, the access will automatically end overnight. From the Global Proxy Management page, you can select another part of the student's record to view. By selecting Student Profile, you get a rich look at the student's biographical information, general information, curriculum hours, and GPA, as well as their registered courses for any prior, current, or future term that the student is registered. To navigate between terms, select the term from drop-down box on the top left of the screen. You will see the left-hand navigation links. Please familiarize yourself with them and their functions. This will help you guide students from afar. To understand all the information and functionality displayed on the student profile page, we invite you to watch the Student Profile demo on the Office of the Registrar's Student Self-Service webpage. If you serve in an advising or strategic enrollment management capacity, you may have additional access to 2 other screens. The first screen is the Financial Aid dashboard, which alerts students of any immediate action that they need to take to complete their financial aid award for the current or upcoming year. The second is the Financial Aid Satisfactory Requirements, or SAP status page, which informs students if they're academically eligible to receive financial aid. There are additional videos that you can watch that provide in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service to better support our students, including these financial aid pages. Please check them out on the Office of the Registrar's website, and as always, go Bulls!